Job security is one of the biggest lies professionals are being sold. If you think your job is secure in 2026, you're already at risk. Your job is not secure, it just hasn't ended yet. And I know this might sound uncomfortable, but in 2026, that's the reality most professionals are facing, not because they're not good enough, but because the system has changed. And the earlier that you understand that, the more control you take back. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Jane. I talk about career reinvention, income security for professionals like yourself who wants to strategically and intentionally move into a new career space or improve their income. So if that resonates with you, consider subscribing, like, share, because we've got much more coming on this channel. So guys, let's get into today's video. Now let's talk about this uncomfortable truth. Yes, because most of us have been raised with one belief: work hard, stay consistent, be loyal, you will be secure. And that was the formula, and it worked for a very long time. But what is happening right now is quite different. Companies are restructuring, budgets are rapidly changing, roles are disappearing, technology is fast replacing tasks, and you can do all this manner of things that I've mentioned, being loyal, doing the right thing, and still be affected. So that is an uncomfortable truth for us to actually take into consideration. And your job not being secure is not just about you. This is where most professionals get stuck. Because when something changes, the first thought is, was it me? Did I do something wrong? Am I not good enough? But let me say this clearly. This is not about you. It's not about your value. It's about a changing system. And once you understand that, you stop, taking it personally, and you start thinking strategically. For me, this didn't happen overnight. It was the gradual process. Little things started shifting. Plans didn't feel as stable. Opportunities changed and uncertainty crept in. And I realized something quietly. Stability that depends on one source of income is not stability, it's dependency. Yeah. And I know that's, not the most comfortable thing to hear or to actually experience. Guys, if you're getting value from this, take a moment to subscribe. I'll give you a second. Because according to YouTube analytics, most of you watch me and not yet subscribed. And if you're getting value from this, like I said, take a second, like this video, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you do have a question, because this channel is about helping you think differently about work, income, and your future. So guys, let's get back into it. Here are 5 things you need to understand about job security. Let me break this down. The 5 key things every professional needs to understand in 2026. The first one is job security is not loyalty, it's leverage. You can be loyal, you can be hardworking, you can be consistent, and still be let go. Security today comes from skills, upskilling, being able to adapt in different environments, and having options. Options, when I say options, you can have your 9 to 5 at the same time you have your side hustle. So remember that. Second uncomfortable truth is that your salary is not your safety net. Your salary pays your bills, but it doesn't protect you from sudden changes, job loss, income, gaps. Most professionals don't even have like up to 3 months emergency funds because they're living from paycheck to paycheck. And that's the worst place to be, because if anything was to happen to your salary, you just go into, debt, or have your house repossessed, or be homeless. And we don't want that, do we? And the third thing there is the multiple income streams are becoming normal. There is no longer extra. Professionals are now building additional income, monetizing their skills, creating options, not for hype, but for stability. Because if anything was to happen to your job, at least you've got, another way of earning, maybe through skills that you've already monetized, like YouTubing, just like as I'm here right now, creating content creation, There's so many digital marketing, you know, so many ways one can earn aside from depending on your salary. So you need to think about that as well. And the fourth thing that you need to understand is that waiting until something happens is too late. Most people wait until something goes wrong, but by then, pressure is very, very high. Decisions are rushed, options are feels a bit limited. And the best time really to build stability is when things are still calm. You're in a job, you're building your skills, the weekends, if you have free time, you're taking courses, you're monetizing your skills, you're creating content if something that you're into, you're developing yourself. If you want to get into tech, you don't want a situation when you're laid off and then you're running around. Is a gradual process. That way you get to enjoy it and you have more options. So think about that. And the fifth thing for you to think about in terms of job security in 2026 is that you don't need to quit. You need to just expand. This is very important. You don't need to quit your job. You just need to, like I said, expand your income, multiple streams of income, build flexibility, reduce dependency in just one job. You should be comfortable after watching this video and take small steps. Over time, you're going to achieve exactly where you want to get to. Because let's be honest, we all have that moment when your job is secure, but your mind is already thinking, let me just have a backup just in case. And honestly, that instinct is not wrong. So ponder on it and think about what else can I do should in case my job was to, if I'm laid off or anything was to happen to my job. If you're watching so far and you're thinking, I don't even know where to start. Well, I've put together simple resources and guidance inside my Beacon store. You can check that in the description where when you're ready. And if this does resonate with you, everything I've shared, and you want to find out more about, having different source of income, subscribe, because this channel is about helping you think differently, move intentionally, build stability that doesn't depend on one source of income. All right. So in the next video, we are going to be talking about something that's very real. Was it really worth it? Right? It's going to be more of a reflective video. And that one, we're going to be very honest, and we don't have to, figure this out yourself. Like I said, reach out to me. I do one-to-one sessions where I help you to, have some kind of clarity about if you want to move into a different area of career, or maybe diversify your income. Just check out my Beacon store where you can book that and we can get started. And with that, I just want to say thank you for coming back again to watch my video, and I hope you've gained so much today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.